How to import emails in Brevo. So first go to your account and then just click on contacts here at the left side. Okay, now from here, let's say just click on import contacts here at the top right. Okay, now here just select contacts. Okay, here make sure you have choose among the three here which you're going to use, but since we're trying to import, let's just click on import here, but make sure you have a CSV, XLSX or TXT file here ready, okay, that you're going to import, and make sure that all of the emails are there. So once you've clicked on that, you just need to click on select your file and then select your file that has the emails that you're going to import. Okay, click on that and then it'll begin importing your email. Okay, now as you can see, there's emails here. Okay, now just click on confirm your file and then make sure you map the data here. Make sure there are no errors, there are no empty fields. So let's say I'm going to use do not import, or let's just click on contact ID here and then make sure that there are no errors here. Okay, now click on confirm mapping and then just select the list that you're going to add this to, all of the emails that you have on your CSV. Let's say I'm going to add this to my first list and then click on confirm your list. Okay, now here you can see the contacts management. Make sure that you turn on the things that you want to turn on here. Okay, and then make sure that you click on I confirm here. Okay, now once you've done that, all of this, you just need to click on confirm your import and then it'll begin importing your emails into Brevo. Okay, so that's it. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.